Hi everyone, at this point it's been a little while since I've made one of these videos, and I'll explain more about why that is in another video actually, but in this one, in today's video, I want to take you back to the end of February last year in 2022 when my buddy Drake, I went to visit him in the Lake Tahoe area. He had been visiting me in Jackson Hole for a few days, and he had to go back to Lake Tahoe, which is where he worked, so I went with him for a few days. The first day it started with just him taking me on a tour around Lake Tahoe, just kind of showing me all the main sites, kind of let me get an idea of what it looked like. I'd never been there at that point. During this drive around the lake, we ended up doing an unplanned descent into Carson City. What's up? It is just kidding, it is Wednesday night, and I'm on Donner Pass, about most of the way up, looking east over Donner Lake with the Sierra Nevadas in the background catching the sunset light. There's a ton of haze in the air, and I don't know if that is normal. I don't know if that's because it's so warm, all the snow was melting and evaporating and everything, so there's like water, a lot of moisture in the air, or if it's something else. Like, I don't really know, but there's a good amount of haze in the air, which is really diffusing the sunlight, so I'm getting a good red glow on the far mountain peaks over there. And I'm using my long lens, so I'm punched almost all the way in, I think. Anyway, it's a beautiful night. It's the first real shoot that I've done here in Tahoe. Yesterday, Drake and I drove around the lake and just kind of looked at some areas, and I took some shots, and then today I spent the day exploring up and around Alpine Meadows, Squaw Alpine, and you know, it's cool. It's not very big. It's very cool though. Like, there's definitely some sick terrain, but I need a lot more snow for me to be able to ski it the way I want to ski it. Because, I mean, look around. There's almost no snow here. Almost no snow. They haven't had any snow in over a month. And yeah, you can tell. It's pretty low tide everywhere here around Lake Tahoe. Yeah, there's a guy flying a drone up here, up there somewhere. He's probably waving hi to me with the drone. But yeah, I'm just gonna let the time lapse run. The sun's probably getting close to setting now. It's starting to light on the far mountains, is really starting to go, so I'll just kind of quickly come over here and show you more or less what I'm shooting. So yeah, out here photographing, time-lapsing the first sunset